Hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. In the last class, we already discussed the types of insulators. Now, after the followed by the topic interesting thing in the competitive examination, that is nothing but string efficiency. This string efficiency will explain that the non-uniform voltage distribution across the strings of insulators. Let us what is going to happen here is let us take your diagram. What can I say? It is I should draw one disc type insulator, so suspension type insulator. Let us take a 3-disc insulator diagram. So this is the poles we are having. This pole have a cross arm. These are connected disc 1, disc 2, disc 3. This is your power connector, you are connected it is. So this is our transmission line will go happening. It is that. So let us take this is disc 1, disc 2, disc 3. There is a voltage between disc 1 to this one, assumption is a V1. The voltage between disc 2 to disc 3 it is a V3. The voltage between disc 3 to power conductor it is a V3. I hope you are understanding. Yes. So if you take general confirmation, the voltage across the disc, the voltage across the disc near to the power conductor disc 3 is more compared to disc 2 compared to disc 1. It means the disc 1 will experience a more voltage compared to disc 2. Disc 2 will get less voltage. Disc 3 will less voltage. It means disc 3 to disc 1 transmission line we are having the distance is very less. It will get more exposure. Automatically between like a dielectric medium is very less. It will expose a very high potential gradient. Nothing but the voltage across the voltage near to the disc. The voltage, the disc near the power conductor will be experiencing a more voltage, followed by this, less voltage will take place. So if I write a confirmation here, can I write here a V3 greater than V2 greater than V1? So therefore, the disc 2 will get more pressure or more experiencing potential gradient, disc 2 less, disc 1 less. This is called non-uniform voltage distribution takes at 3 different discs. So it is not the correct one. It means the disc 3 will get failure immediately first. After disc 2 will fail, then after disc 3 will fail. Like that 1, 2, 3 will get failed subsequently. So it is not the correct one. So like that this is called non-uniform distribution takes place across the disc. So you should not go like that. Each disc will experience the same voltages. That's what the life of the all disc it should be same. So this non-uniformity, the voltage distribution across the string, the insulators, which can be explained by string efficiency. The purpose of string efficiency is to explain non-uniform distribution, non-uniform voltage distribution, non-uniform voltage distribution across all the discs, which will be expressed by string efficiency. So what is going to happen is that the string efficiency is nothing but eta. The string efficiency is equal to the total voltage across the string, Vt by total voltage across the string by n into means number of discs into voltage across near to the power conductor. Nothing but the string efficiency in terms of percentage, nothing but V total by. Take an example. How many discs will be there? 1, 2, 3 discs. So you can say 3 into voltage across topmost disk is 3 into 100. Example is where n is number of disks. Number of disks within voltage across the near power conductor. So let us take, if string efficiency is 100%, it means V total by V3, nothing but the voltage across all disks will be same. Example 100, 100, 100, nothing but 300 by 300. It means all voltage distribution will take place same. Little example, here we have a 100 volts, here we have a 100 volts, here we have a 100 volts. If it is all voltage will be same, 300 by 3 into 100, 300 by 300 will get 100%. It's nothing but if all voltages will be same across all the things, the string efficiency will be 100%. It means string efficiency 100% means voltage across each disk is uniformly distributed. Next, the string efficiency will indicate how voltage distribution will take place across the conductor. If that is what the important thing of your string efficiency. So you have to maintain string efficiency as soon as more value, getting better understanding. This is the string efficiency will get. If string efficiency will less, more non-uniform voltage distribution takes place. More non-uniform distribution takes place. More non-uniform voltage distribution takes place. This is what string efficiency. I hope you are understanding. Purpose of string efficiency is to explain how non-uniformity will take place. If string efficiency will be very good, 100%, the voltage distribution across each disk will be same. If string efficiency is very lesser value, there should be voltage will be different disk will get different voltages. So that is not up to the mark. Therefore, the efficiency of the system is going to be less. That's what you have to maintain a string efficiency. I hope you understand. Next, the calculation of voltage across each disk, that is an important concept here. That I will give the formulas for you in the competitive examination. Let us take a cross arm here. In this we have the capacitances. So let us the line disk to disk we have a capacitance. That capacitance we can say that C. The disk to disk capacitance you can say it is a C. So let us I show the order marker to understand very clearly. Block marker additions. We have a capacitance between disk to disk. This capacitance I can write in the C. The capacitance between disk to disk. This capacitance I can write it is a C. The capacitance between disk to disk we can write very clearly it is a C. See, it is a C. It is also C. Disk to disk capacitance. Next, as well as the capacitance between the disks to this pole, that is a C dash. This is nothing but mutual capacitance C dash. Mutual capacitance, the C dash. I hope are clear. The capacitance between poles to the disk, the C dash. The capacitance between power conductor to the disk, nothing but disk to disk capacitance. That's called as C. We can say that. So to express the voltages in V1 in terms of other voltages, we have a small factor. It is that is very important. K is a constant. The constant of K is equal to C dash by C. Nothing but mutual capacitance by capacitance between disks. Capacitance between the disks. The value of K up to me always is less than 1. Always it should be less than 1. It means this capacitance should be very less compared to this one. It means you have to maintain the distance is very far to the pole conductor. Automatically you will get clearance to this there may be chances leakage current from your power conductor, this string to this is less. I think we know the distance is increases, capacitance is increases. So nothing but C dash is decreases here. Because if you maintain this string very longer, if you keep your string is 0 but increase the cross of length, automatically this capacitance should go, distance is increased, capacitance should go to decrease. So K value should be decreased. So if it is K value will be very less. Therefore it gives string efficiency is increases. It also will indicate string efficiency is incremental. That is also very important point. Next, I'll give the relations between V1, V2, V3 by using of this one. So in the examination they mention V value, V1 value they mention the top of voltage. We can write V2 is equal to 1 plus K times of V1. The V1 value is given. The V2 is equal to 1 plus K times of V1. K is equal to C dash by C. C dash always, K always less than 1. We want to write V3 is equal to 1 plus 3K plus K square into V1. This is the voltage across the third disk. If you want to continue for fourth disk also, for your confirmation I am writing V4 equal to 1 plus 6K plus 5K square K cube into V1. This is the V4. So if you know the V1 value, V2, V3, V4 calculated. Once V1, V2, V3, V4 calculated, string efficiency you can calculate it as. If they mention examination, people have mentioned V4 value, no problem. Find V1. After V1, V2, V3, V1 calculation very easy. If they mention an examination, they mention V1, other two you can calculate easy by using of the K value help. If they mention randomly, if they mention V3 value, the V2, V1 you have to calculate it is, do V3, V1 you calculate, other two is easy. Even if it is V4 mentioned, just V4 using this V1 is calculated, other thing you can calculate by this V1 easy. So after that calculation of V1, V2, V3, V4, we can calculate string efficiency. The questions will come, string efficiency very famous. So this is the derivation we have, the long methods that I will explain the theory classes. But competitive examination, no need to do that all these theory. Remember the formulas, you will get the marks easily. I hope you are understanding. By this K, they lost the value of K. C dash by C nature, how much it is less than 1 sir. They mention reverse, C by C dash, K is always greater than 1. It means this capacitance should be very less compared to this one. To get more clearance, to increase the string efficiency. I hope you are understanding how the people are getting the value pulled across this string. Okay. Next, one more important point in this. The string efficiency already 100% is okay. But the regular point of what is going to get back it is always the disk across V3 greater than V2 greater than V1. This is going to take place. If you use a same kind of disk D1, D2, this all disk are with the same material, same size. Definitely the power conductor nearer to this experience more voltages. After that it will not. This is not the correct one. To make it, these three values should be same. The string efficiency is going to be incremental. So to increase the string efficiency, we have a methods. That is what methods to improve the string efficiency that we will discuss in the next classes. Generally, the string efficiency is very less if you go same material, same disk. To improve the string efficiency, we have a method. That method I will discuss in the next classes. I hope thanks how you are understanding this one. Thanks for watching. The keep continues. If you like my channel, please subscribe this. Links will come to the other videos. Keep continuing.